Hi there, welcome. My name is Manoj and you are here for the 10th day of April Yoga Challenge 2020. Today is one of the best pose that we are going to do, which is very, very good for your back. Our today's yoga pose is Salabhasana, which is also called as a locust pose, or some people also call it as a grasshopper pose. This yoga pose is absolutely great for the back, for the entire spine. Also increases strength of the core. Also very, very good for your low part of the body. So without doing any delay, let's do our April Yoga Challenge 2020, 5 minutes of yoga with Salabhasana. I show you first how to do it and then we can do it together. Let's get it started. We do it in two variations, and for today we will do it 3 times in the simple variation. One is more advanced. So I show you first in the simple variation and the next in more advanced variation of Salabhasana. Inhaling deep for hands on the side of your chest. Head is up, eyes looking parallel with the ground with a deep inhalation going up. Head is up, and your legs down. Eyes looking in the center of the eyebrows and staying here for a count of 5. When you are here, you're breathing deep in your belly. 1, 2, 3, your hands are pressing, head is up, legs are going up. It's hard for you. You can also bend your knee, but making sure that your knees are not on the ground. 4 and 5. Inhaling deep, slowly coming down. Now I'll show you in more advanced variations. So one variation is to having the hands back. So that's what we do. If you like, you can also join your hands and going up. So we do it in open hand variation, but if you like, you can also join your hands and then stretch. So here, inhaling deep, slowly rising up, and bring the legs back. Eyes looking again in the center of your eyebrows, staying here for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the Salabhasana, and we will do it for 6 times, 3 times in simple variation and 3 times in more advanced variation for the count of 5. So let's get it started. For Salabhasana, deep breath in, hands inside of the chest. Slowly bring the legs up and eyes looking in the center of the eyebrow. And deep breath, feel your navel, feel your belly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, slowly and gracefully going down. Exhale. Inhale deep, exhale deep, deep belly breath. With deep inhalation going up again the second time. 1, 2, and suppressing. Legs are up. 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, slowly and gracefully going down, and release the tension from your neck, from your hips, from the hamstring. Last time in simple variation. Inhaling deep, gently going up, eyes looking in the center of the eyebrows, and deep breath. 1, 2, knees straight, toes pointing out. 3, deep breath, focus on your breathing. 4, 5. Inhale deep, full breath in, slowly going down. Exhale. Release all tension from the neck, from the shoulder, from the hips and the hamstring. Now we do it in more advanced variation. Hands are behind, hands are back, the back is near your hips, on the side of the hips. Now deep inhalation, gently going up, opening the hands back, stretching them. Legs are up, eyes looking the center of the eyebrows. And deep breathing, deep belly breath. 1, 2, slow breath with patience. 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, full breath in, slowly and gently we are coming down. Exhale. Inhale deep, exhale deep. Second last time. Inhaling deep, slowly rising up. 1, 2, 3, 4, deep breathing. 5. Inhale deep, full breath in, slowly going down. Exhale, release the tension. Last time, guys. You're doing great. Inhaling deep. 1, 2, 3. Deep breathing, slow exhalation. 4. Push a little bit up. Stretch the toes, stretch the hand. 4. Very good. Do it. And 5. Inhale deep. Slowly, gently going down. Relax. Staying here. Bring the head on the sideway for a few moments. Staying there. Deep breath in, breathe out. And for a few moments, opposite side. So head in the head. So I would like to thank you so much for today's yoga challenge, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for April Yoga Challenge 2020-11, my favorite number, and tomorrow's special yoga challenge for you. That will be Surya Namaskar. So see you tomorrow. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.